How to invite collaborator on Instagram after posting. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can invite collaborator on Instagram after posting. So then to invite a collaborator, first of all update the application. Now to begin with, log in into your Instagram account. So in order to invite a collaborator after posting, what you need to do is go ahead and click on the profile icon. It's going to direct you to the profile page. Now let's say that I want to invite a collaborator for this particular post. So what you need to do is just click on this three dot icon right over here and then click on edit button. After you click on the edit button, it's going to direct you to the edit info page. Right over here, what you can only do is right now you can only tag people. Unfortunately, you'll not be able to invite collaborator after posting it. It should be done beforehand, meaning that it should be done before you post a content. Only then you'll be able to invite a collaborator. Apart from that, the alternative is that to tag people. So tap on the plus icon, type in the username, and after that it's gonna just tap on the tick icon located right on top. In order to save your changes, click on the tick icon, and that is how you can invite a collaborator. Apart from that, if you really want to invite a collaborator, then what you can do is you can delete the post first of all, and after that re-upload the same post with an invitation to collaborator. So that is basically how you can invite collaborator on Instagram after posting. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.